Breaking Balls with Abby Pinay. Breaking balls, breaking barriers, breaking walls. Let's talk, let's learn, and find better ways. Lahat ng bagay ay may sagot at may paraan, at dapat better with Abby Pinay. Edukasyon, turismo, kalusugan, climate change, local governance, sports, batas at pamilya. Breaking Balls with Abby Binay.
Mga usapang may tinuturo, matututunan.
Breaking Balls with Abby Binay.
So we're back and he's back.
I'm back.
Ang problema ko lang, baka masyadong mawili tong guest ko na to na baka i-take over niya na yung aking podcast. Kasi, o baka naman sa sobra, it really depends on how mag-trending ang aming episode. So ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay Rebo, present day Rebo. Or siguro naman, hindi naman masyadong present day, kahit mga 5 years before.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, sabi ko nung previous episode, sabi ko, kasalanan ko kung bakit ka napasok sa politika. This was 2016?
2019.
2019.
Yeah.
So, 2019, nilapitan ko si Rebo. I was building a lineup. And I said, I wanted someone who was a lawyer. And I wanted someone na talaga Makati talaga. I mean, he's from he grew up in Palanan.
Yeah.
Sa Bigasan. So, alam ko taga Makati talaga siya. Hindi naman siya yung parang in-import ko at pinalabas kong Makati resident. Taga dito talaga siya. And ang ang partida doon is masa. As in, masa si insult ba na masa ka?
Sabi mo
Masa in the sense na kaya mo makipag-basketball or you're not, hindi ka disconnected sa community.
Right.
Diba?
Right.
So, pinatakbo ko siya. I included him in my lineup in 2019. It was a tough battle, remember? It was a very tough battle because one, yung pagiging sagisag was both a blessing and a curse.
Could be.
There were people that didn't like your last name because of
Yeah.
your last name, and
Yeah.
then there were people that ganun naman
Yeah.
in any ganun naman kahit Binay naman ganun
Yeah.
din. So natawid na panalo natin si nanalo si Rebo noong 2019. So nakadalawang term si Rebo as councilor for Makati. We're not talking about politics, okay? hindi politika pag-usapan natin today. Backgrounder lang.
Yeah.
Okay. Ang tanong ko, na hanggang ngayon hindi ko alam ang sagot sa tanong. Paano ka napasok sa UAAP?
Paano ako napasok? But before I proceed, ma'am, pwede rin, kasi as much as I blame you,
Okay.
gusto ko rin malaman nyo na I'm very grateful for the chance.
Baka naman
And,
ako maiyak.
No, and for the people of Makati, for the high privilege of serving. No, it's a chapter in my life that I'll never
But
forget.
I will also have to say, kailangan mo talaga ng abogado na konsihal kasi gumagawa ka ng batas.
No, there you go.
Diba?
Ano ba trabaho ng
It was
konsehal?
very difficult. I mean, even up to today, mahirap i-explain sa mga tao na ang congressman gumagawa ng batas.
Amen. Amen,
Diba?
please. Amen.
And yet, ilan lang naman dyan marunong gumawa ng batas. So, ganun din yung mga konsehal. Gumagawa yan ng ordinansa, gumagawa yan ng batas. In fairness, when Rebo was the chair ka ng rules, diba?
Vice chair kasi si Majo ang
Si Arman.
Si Arman, yeah.
Pero ang ginawa natin, whether they admit it or not, inayos natin yung legislative aspect ng Makati. We professionalized it. We followed the procedure to the letter, 'di ba? Talagang laging may session. Ngayon ginawa pa natin Facebook Live yung session. Those are things that we were able to accomplish in that short period of time na parehas tayong in government. So, okay.
Ma'am, singit lang na isang job na hindi rin alam. Yung quasi-judicial function, which is important. Yung pag-admin hearings, di ba?
Correct.
So,
yung mga kaso ng mga barangay captains. Kasi hindi rin sila familiar doon. So, ayaw natin ng may mga mga midnight deals kasi gusto nga natin everything is clear and transparent. So,
Yeah.
wala yung mga sinasabi nilang paper minutes.
Correct.
Yung kunyarong nag-meeting, pero hindi naman talaga nag-meeting, or nag-session, pero wala talagang session. O, hindi natin. And even yung mandatories that you're supposed to meet at least, ilan nga per month, di ba? Parang 4 ba?
Yung sessions?
Yeah.
At least once a week.
Oh, at least once a week.
Yeah.
So, four times,
Yeah.
4 times a
A
month.
month.
So, yun yung strictly that we followed. Oh,
Anyway.
sagutin mo na ang tanong.
Paano ko napasok sa UAP? Hindi ko rin alam. But I guess yung sinabi ko kanina, ma'am, na yung paglaro ko ng 7 years sa College of Human Kinetics,
Oh.
yun yung end
Hindi.
point.
So, ang tanong ko, nung nasa law school ka, wala ka pa sa UAAP noon.
Wala pa.
Oh,
wala
so
pa.
paano ka na
2015 ang season 78, UP was the host.
Okay.
So at that time, hindi nila alam yung UP had the prerogative. At that point kasi kung sino yung host, medyo out of courtesy pinagbibigyan na yan.
Kung sino yung gusto nilang gawin
Commissioner.
Oh.
And I would admit, ma'am, kaya ako sinabing hindi ko rin alam. In fact, natuwa ako eh. But the headline, ito nga ma'am, the headline says, season 78 chooses unlikely commissioner.
Aray.
Aba, pinitik pa ako, di ba? Tapos nakalagay, not the traditional choice. Because the names before me were names like Chito Leizaga,
Okay.
Narvasa, Andy Howe, people who are known really on the circle. So,
Correct. As athletes.
as athletes or coaches or sports analysts.
Correct.
So, I really don't know. Maybe,
But who floated your name?
yun nga, yung where I studied, yung College of Human Kinetics, they vouched for me. And then, siguro, I guess yung sinabi niyo.
Siguro kasi 7 years ka nag-ano eh.
Siguro, 'di ba? And number 2, ma'am, maybe that was a time parang naghahanap sila ng someone new.
Yeah.
Nakalagay din pala someone young
Yuck!
and dynamic.
Okay.
Okay? Pero ito yung pinakamabigat, ma'am. And I take this with great
So
pride.
wait, ano ka na nun? Abogado ka na niya, 2015.
20 abogado na. 10 years. And then, ang mabigat, ma'am, yung he also has integrity. Ngayon, hindi ko na angkinin yan. Bigay na sa akin ng tatay ko yan.
Tama.
And for that, again, kung yun lang ang
Minana mo yun.
minana ko talaga, kahit yun lang ang pinamana sa akin. Well, Honda Civic SRR, thank you. But it goes a long way.
Yeah.
So, and I've been there for the last 10 years.
Being the son of a man with integrity.
And before me, ma'am, ano yan eh, again, pag umikot ng hosting, pagpalit ng school, bata-bata nga eh. 'Di ba? So, walang uulit na commissioner. For the first time in the history of the UAP. Fact naman to eh. Ewan ko kaya
So bakit nga ngayon commissioner ka pa rin?
Hindi na. Ito nga, umulit ako nung season 78 to 79. So for the first time, nag-back to back. Hindi pa sila nasayahan, naka-repeat pa ako.
Aba, talo mo pa yung mga
Yun na nga.
nananalo sa basketball.
Tapos kasabay nun, hindi pa sila nasayahan, again, I'm very grateful to the UAP.
So wait, you're no longer a commissioner?
They created an office of the executive director, of which I am now. So, ewan ko, sinipa ba ako pataas?
Ang
Taray, di ba?
Ginawa ng opisina. Talagang ayaw ko i-let go, gano'n.
But I don't know, or maybe I was just at the right place at the right time. I really do not know.
Or it was a click. I mean, di ba?
Maybe.
You click with the UAAP. You work well together. That's why they don't wanna let you go, di ba?
I hope so. But I'm really grateful.
So, hindi ka na nagko-coach for
Hindi na.
Asam? Kailan ka tumigil na mag-coach ng Asam?
2003 nung muntik na ako makikout na Ateneo. Sabi ko, it's time to give this up. Magbabar na ako eh. So, it's time to give it up. Oo.
Ninervous ba yung daddy mo na nag-bar ka?
Siyempre.
Pare sa akin.
Pero sila eh. Deadpan si Papa eh.
Parang sila pa yung mas ninervous.
Lagi naman, ma'am. Lagi naman. Lagi naman.
Hindi ka naman.
Lagi naman. Yeah. Lagi naman. Yeah.
Pero si Real naman yung super saya and proud kapag
Correct.
ka na ng
Correct. Iba yung ngiti ng nakakitang mga friends ko nung nakita nila si Papang ngumiti when the results came out.
From the very beginning pala, meron na kayong deal ng dad mo na you don't even have to practice.
Yes.
Kaya you don't really have yung when they decided to bring you in as commissioner in UAAP, you didn't really have to tell your dad because parang meron naman kayong unspoken rule already that you could have, still continue your love for sports and not really practice law. So the question, do you
ko rin
practice law?
Pag initially, hindi rin totoo kasi trabaho rin ako sa kanya eh. Tapos laging,
gawin mo to, draft mo to.
then huwag mo singilin. Yun ang importante dun eh. Huwag mo singilin. Yun eh. Lagi may ganun. So, yeah.
So you were practicing with him?
With him. Yeah. So,
Okay.
for 05 to 2015, ma'am, initially, when I was commissioned, I was still practicing until 2019.
Talaga?
Kaya namang, kasi yung kaya naman pagsabayin
Ah.
at that time. Pero when tinawag niyo ako, napagbigyan ng bayan ng Makati, sabi ko mahirap na yung tatlo. So I had to choose muna. So practice had to take a backseat then. So
Okay.
politics and
Okay,
UAP.
so alam na natin
Public service,
kung paano ka naging UAP commissioner na ngayon hindi ka na UAP commissioner, ano ka na ngayon? Meron ka na
ED.
sarili.
And ED ang tawag. ED.
Okay. Puntahan naman natin yung pagiging being a husband and a parent. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So, kung hindi nyo alam, takusa to. Takot lang niya.
Yes.
Dahil judge ang
Yes.
ang asawa niya. So, sinabi mo na you both met in law school. I know she's a Povedan. She's a Povedan alumna.
Assumption niya.
Assumption ba siya?
Assumption.
Assumption. Okay.
And I had a...
How do you deal with, because not a lot of men deal well with successful partners. Kasi syempre may insecurity.
Yeah.
Dapat yung lalaki mas successful ka kasi sa asawa mo na babae.
Yeah.
Na ang impression ka, may egotistical,
Yeah,
di ba?
yeah.
And very proud, di ba? How do you deal with it?
Mukha may dahilan na maging insecure, ma'am. Look at me.
Hindi, di ba?
I mean, look at me.
Parang sinuportahan mo ba yung idea na maging judge si Judge Jackie? I mean, why did she decide to go to that path instead of private practice or di ba pwede siya maging soldier, bakit siya napunta sa pagiging judge?
Maging judge. But before that,
Lalo na kung assumptionista siya, ha? Di ba? Parang sobrang
yeah.
assumptionista, tapos Ateneo Law School, tapos naging judge. Oh.
Well, going back muna, ma'am, dun sa pressure, no? Maybe, magaling si Jackie.
Yeah.
So, in law school...
Hindi ka naman ma-attract sa kanya kung hindi siya magaling.
Well, unang-una, napakaganda niya. So, dun pa lang, ang ambisyon ko lang sa buhay, ma'am, may makapag-asawa na maganda. Nakuha ko na. So, quota na ako eh.
Naka na.
Recorded to, no? So, we can play this over and over again.
Okay, ha?
Pakigawang
Judge
reel,
Jackie, ha?
shorts, every day, okay?
Okay.
But yeah, may bagong word man pala na enchanted, ensorcelled. Natutunan ko lang kagabi.
Ano yun?
Enchanted. When I first saw her, I was ensorcelled by her beauty.
Okay, pakispell.
No? E-N-S-O-R-C-E-L-L. Oh, kita nyo?
Ensorcelled.
Sabi mo, matututunan sila,
Oo.
ensorcelled by your beauty.
Ensorcelled
Yeah.
by your beauty. Okay.
So anyway, ma'am, nung mag-classmate kami, actually, hindi kami sabay.
So, kita niyo na kung paano niya binola yung asawa niya, di ba? Kita-kita naman. Oh.
Yeah.
Ha?
But,
Hindi kayo magkabat.
magka-batch kami, classmate kami. But,
Oh.
sige na, meron ako mga sablay na subject na delay ako ng konti.
Ano
Again,
to?
sanay naman ako ma-delay eh.
Dahil nga nagko-coach ka nga ng
Dahil nagko-coach ako.
ng
Oo.
basketball team.
Pero may bagsak na rin ako, aminin ko na. Meron eh. I mean, iba law school eh.
Ano ba subject na bagsak?
Succession yata. Is one of them. Tax is na, I'm not good
So,
at tax.
third year ka na Ako, first year ako may binagsak. Pero,
First year, wala naman. No?
bakit sinabati siya mo ng succession? Hindi naman si Balane.
Si JV yata.
Okay.
Jan Gonzaga.
Okay.
Okay.
Ah.
So,
Buti pinatulang ka pa ni Jackie kahit na may bagsak ka na subject.
ay ma'am, siya yung the reason that I'm still I became a lawyer. I mean, hindi ko iniwan yan.
Ganon.
Iba. So, if Papa thinks he's the luckiest person alive, maybe I would dispute that. Iba yung misis ko. Swerte din ako. Napakaswerte ko talaga.
Ay, sana
So,
ganun
hindi
din
na
ang
ako
impression
iniwan.
ng asawa ka pa. Mamaya
Yeah.
tatanungin ko siya mamaya gabi.
Pero ma'am, yung pressure was there, even in our grades. Tapos sabi ko nga,
Di ba parang nagko-comparean kayo na
yes,
ano,
yes,
na,
oo.
lalo magka-batch kayo, di ba? Sino mas matalino sa ating dalawa? And people talk.
Yeah. At buti hindi kami nagsabay sa bar. Kasi I cannot imagine
Kung magkasabay pa kayo sa bar.
if she makes it and I don't.
Yeah, and the stress and the,
Yeah.
ano.
Yung track record sa law school, may mga bagsak ka. So, it's possible that I don't make it. So,
ah.
may konting issues ako at the time. But, I mean, but eventually, I eventually learned how to grow on my own. Pati naman kasi kay Papa, di ba? Parang living under the shadow, anak ka ni Rene sa Gisag.
Hirap.
Asawa ka ni Jackie Sagisag, tatay ka ni Tres Sagisag. Wala na akong sariling identity. So, at one point, you have to accept who you are. Di ba? Di ba?
Diba nasa sapawan tayo ng mga anak natin?
Sobra.
May mga ganun na nga sinasabi, oh, you're
Yeah.
the mom of Martina. Ah, yeah, that's me.
Yeah,
Ganun na yung role natin, di ba? Ah, you're the mom of Martina.
correct.
Oh.
Yeah.
So, how did Judge Jackie become a judge?
Nag-start siya sa Supreme Court.
Okay. Ayan.
Court attorney or clerking ba yan under justice.
Malayo
in
pa rin
Aris
yun, ha?
Mercado.
Bakit siya naging... Kasi
Um,
usually ang path ng iba, they become either a prosecutor and then they become a judge,
Yeah.
or they become a judge in a province and then end up being a judge in Metro Manila. So
Right.
siya, nag-Supreme Court muna siya.
Supreme Court muna siya. But I guess because you write decisions,
Yeah.
you help draft the decisions. I think that's something that ako ma'am hindi ako muna mag-decide eh.
Ha?
I cannot imagine myself being a judge. I'd rather, kumbaga sa basketball, I cannot be a referee.
Ganun?
I'd rather coach or play on one side. Kumbaga advocate.
Yeah.
Hindi pag
Ayaw mo yung maging
lalo na yung mga dikit ng laban.
ikaw ang
na-
panalo. Ayaw mo na
Oo.
gano'n. Ikaw ang talo.
So kung magaling pareho yun, uy tama siya. Pag tayo ng kabila, mukhang may point din siya. Hindi ako makadecide. I cannot decide the really close one. So, believe ako at what she does
Yeah.
and how she does it. And ilang beses na rin siyang naimbita sa mga rewriting of the rules, no? One of which is ethics.
Ganon?
Ethics, oo. At meron yata dong about infidelity, ina-attribute sa kanya dahil daw sa akin.
Ay, yung bagong labas.
Yes, she was part of that.
Yeah,
She was part of that.
new Supreme Court decision
Yeah.
about infidelity.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, magaling.
Napakaswerte mo naman, Rev. Swerte ka sa asawa, swerte ka
Yeah.
sa mga anak mo, di ba? But we both lost in the last election. Just goes to show you na hindi naman pwede lahat ibigay.
Correct. Good looks na dami na ako. Okay na yun.
Yeah.
I'll take that. Di ba?
Hindi naman gusto ko sa'yo, Rev.
Huwag kang mawawalan. Yabang and good looks should always be there. Diba? In whatever you do.
So I remember nagpo-post ka ng mga nagbibisikleta ka.
Oh yeah.
And then I'm also into vinyls. I'm not sure if it's you or Noy who's into
Nonoy, very much
Nonoy is
into
into vinyls. So nagbibisikleta ka. Yun na ba mode of transportation mo ngayon?
Mode of transportation, ma'am. And I always say, when they see a bike, they see ang gandang exercise niyan. Ang gandang papawis niyan.
Yung pag-bike mo, forma eh.
There you go.
I remember na, pumupunta ka pa sa City Hall, fino-fold na yung bike niya, sumasakay siya na elevator.
Yeah.
Yun yung trip niya. So, parang, ginagawa mo rin. Diba, na may session na nakasuit, pero nakabike.
Naka-folding bike. Pag malamig.
So, yung pagbabike mo, forma lang.
I guess you can say to a certain extent self-expression. But apart from that,
Self-expression.
it's
Okay.
also a time machine.
Time machine.
Kasi pag sampa mo, you feel like you're 7 years old again. Yeah, 7 years old again.
That's true.
Diba?
You're right.
3, it's also for my sanity. So I do it more for mental health rather than physical health. Kasi yung ride ko ngayon, nakaporma ka, so chill
Hindi
ride.
ka ba
ngayon
natatakot mo sagasaan?
Well,
or
may
mabanggaan
konting
ng
takot. That's why now I'm very happy about car-free.
Yeah,
Kaya
the
lang,
car-free.
doon na lang muna.
So dun ka na lang nagbabike.
Yeah,
Hindi
sa
ka na
farm,
nagbabike. Yeah.
medyo yon trails.
So, delikado pa rin naman eh.
Yeah, it's not you, it's them, the
Yeah.
kamote riders.
Correct. Ikaw okay ka eh, di ba?
Yeah,
Pero sila
yeah.
yung problema mo.
Yeah. So,
Kaya you also, even if you're very, very cautious.
right.
Pero kung yung mga kasabay mo, hindi naman.
Correct. Ito
So-
wheels lang yan eh. Yeah.
So you have 2 kids.
2 kids,
Boy and a girl.
boy and a girl.
Ayaw mo lang di mo na, mahirap na dagdagan.
Mahirap na.
Wala na.
Yep.
Pero may kwento ba yung dalawang sa pangalan? Kasi nag-umpisa tayo doon sa pangalan yung magkakapatid.
Okay. Yeah.
Kaya ba siya 3 kasi the third?
Yes. Rene, it's a given, parang
Oo.
no-brainer. Amato is
Ano yun?
Italian for love. Amador is Spanish. Amato.
Yung mga ganun,
Nuts.
ang lalalim ng mga
Diba? And
Lagi-
Cus de Amato is the coach of Mike Tyson. So may sports angle din yon. Cus de Amato. Bagong learning na naman yan. Yeah,
hindi ko
Cus de
alam
Amato,
yun
coach of
Oh.
Mike Tyson. Mike Tyson. Yeah, I think Mike Tyson. Yeah, but sa boxing coach yan.
Okay.
Amato
Kaya mo
is
ginawang amato.
Yeah, beloved.
Okay.
Si Natalia, Tala
Tala.
Star,
Yeah.
Natalia, ewan kung parang si Jackie fixated over Natalia for the longest time. Consuelo is my second name of my mom, Dulce Consuelo. Consuelo also is, I think, love din yata. Consolation.
Consuelo.
Yeah.
Console.
Console, yeah. So yan ang mga
So, yun ang mga namana mo din. Na kailangan yung mga pangalan ng
kailangan pag-isipan.
pag-isipan, may mga ibig sabihin.
Yeah.
O baka hindi mo alam ang trivia tungkol sa pangalan ko.
Pangalan nyo.
Ko.
Okay.
Ha? Lagi nilang sinasabi, ang ibig sabihin ng pangalan ko, my first name is Marlen. Abigail's in the Bible. Kasi 'di ba as a rule, para ma-baptize ka, kailangan meron kang name na nasa Bible.
Ganun ba yun?
Oo, nung dati, kaya kailangan lagi may Maria.
Kailan ba kayo pinanganak? 1950?
Gagi.
May ganun. Hindi ko alam yun.
May ganon. Okay, so yung first name ko, Marlen, na may hyphen.
Yes.
Len, di ba?
Okay.
Na, even when I was growing up, I would always exclaim, kasi pag tinatanong, bakit ganun yung first name mo? Marlen, may hyphen, Len. Ano yan? Jejo Mar, which is my dad's name.
Okay.
And my mom's name, Ellen.
Okay.
Elenita is my
Good
mom's,
guess.
second name. Okay, so, I knew that was the explanation of my name. Okay.
You knew.
I knew.
Knew.
Okay? And then, I met this guy na sabi niya, kasama ko yung daddy mo, namundok kami, mga makibaka, ganyan. Okay, sabi ko, okay. Tapos sabi niya, and this was, abogado na ako nun. Okay. So, it was in the early 2000. Okay. Sabi, alam mo pangalan mo, kaya Marlene? Alam ko, Jojo Mar. Sabi, hindi. Kaya Marlene ang pangalan mo, Marx Lenin. Sabi ko, totoo ba? Marx Lenin, kaya ganun yung pangalan ko. So,
But this was from who?
my dad.
Okay.
No, I mean, yung kasama ng dad ko na namundok. So, ang ginawa ko, kinfront ko yung daddy ko.
Ayo, kaya nga.
Daddy,
Yeah,
totoo ba? Na kaya ang pangalan ko, kasi hindi siya nakadikit may hyphen talaga
Correct,
yung
Marlen.
name ko. Totoo ba? Na kaya ang pangalan ko, Marlen kasi Marx Lenin. Alam mo ginawa niya, tumawa siya. Ha! Okay. Ha! Tumawa lang siya.
Yeah.
So I'm like, okay. So, totoo? So parang nabasag yung ko, yung pagkakaintindi ko doon sa pangalan ko. So siguro yun yung time, kasi diba, I was born 75. So, nakulong yung daddy ko because
So,
of...
matanda pala talaga ako sa'yo.
Yeah!
72 ako. Okay.
Kasi nakulong dad ko 72, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay.
72, mga ganon. Bagong kasal sila ng mami ko. So, siguro yun yung time na, yan, kaya naging
Yeah.
Marlen.
So, may karoon din pala. Kita mo si Jojo. Pareho pala sila.
Yeah. So,
Lahat kayo ganyan.
na hindi ako lang.
Ikaw lang. Marx Lenin. Marlen.
Dati na lang. Anyway,
So, did he confirm it?
Which
He
one?
did? Or na talagang yun?
I don't know. He just laughed.
So, open-ended.
Oo.
Open-ended. Baka magkaroon kang existential crisis niyan, ha?
Ganon.
Alright. Marx Lenin.
Ganun ka. So, sa UAAP, meron ka bang as a commissioner that you can say na backstory that's not really known to everyone, na you feel, okay, UAAP, sorry kasi hindi ako masyadong mas sports other
Yep.
than billiards.
Yep.
Kaya
Is
napapansin,
that even wag na baka
kaya ba napapansin mo na nagpaparamdam lang ako pag
Yeah.
pag finals na ng basketball,
Right.
di ba? At hindi ko kilala ang mga player, basta
Yeah.
UP! Kaya medyo conflicted ako pag UP at Ateneo yung
But I hope
magkalaban.
Martina enjoyed. She had a great time.
Okay, it was actually her idea.
Good.
Mom,
Yeah.
there's one more game. Kasi di ba, she was hoping na magkaroon ng game,
Game
game 3.
Yeah.
We have to watch. Sabi ko, okay, chill. Hindi ko naman alam, invested ka pala sa basketball.
Yeah.
Hindi ko alam. So, talagang alam niya ang cheer ng anak ko. Alam na yung cheer.
Wow.
Mas alam niya sa parang ko, alam mo to anak? Bakit ako hindi ko alam ang cheer? Tapos talaga siya yung may pagka-heckler din yung anak ko.
And that's part of it. Part of it.
Siya.
Yeah.
So parang nakikita ko yung anak ko in a different light when we were
Right.
watching the basketball game. But it was really, tsaka sobrang siyang affected nung natalo yung
That's good.
parang ako,
That's good.
okay lang yung game na yan. No. Anong mukhang ihaharap ko? Natalo yung UP. Sabi ko, grabe. Samantalang hindi ka pa naman nag-aaral sa UP, pero sobra siyang affected. Ano yung story na pwede mong i-share while you were a commissioner na nakakatawa? Or yung, alam mo yun, yung why am I asking for a backstory? Because I saw this clip, di ba yung mga sinulog, yung sumasayaw yung mga babae,
Right.
ganyan. And then there's a backstory about yung mga nagko-collapse yung mga dancer. Parang ang nakikita lang kasi natin is what we see sa sa TV, di ba? Or what
Yeah.
we see in front of the camera. But we don't really see what happens outside the cameras. Like, totoo ba na talagang magkaaway? There's like that feud between the players. Yung kanya, talagang intense ba ang away between schools?
Right.
Or pag nasa naman, parang, uy, appear, gano'n.
Yeah.
Magkaibigan ba sila? Or ano yung
Ha?
isang pwede mong i-share na hindi nakikita ng madla when it comes to UAAP, whether it be volleyball, whether it be cheerleading, kasi ang dami ng sports ng UAAP ngayon eh. Kaya kailangan sa susunod na episode, we will focus on a certain sport that you would want us to talk about, para lang din ba hindi tayo masyadong focus. Yeah, we can talk about basketball, but there are more to UAAP than just basketball. You were talking about football.
Football.
You were talking about baseball. You're talking
volleyball,
about,
yeah.
diba? Kasi mas malakas lang yung laban pag basketball eh. Mas
Right.
intense lang yung hype and emotions kapag basketball. But there are other sports that UAAP is involved in. So anong backstory yung pwede may share?
Naku, ang dami. That caught me off guard.
Ah.
Maybe we can start with unang-una, the hardest part of the job when people ask me as commissioner or executive director are pero nakatulong ko sa inyo to, yung tickets. People expect me to
Have tickets.
have tickets
Ah.
and I don't. Kasi,
Oh.
but seriously, because the venues do not, di ba? Same
Correct.
size yan eh.
Iba-iba. Oo.
Limited number of seats since they were made, no?
Oo.
Hindi naman dumadami, but demand.
Bakit may meron ka bang nakaaway dahil hindi mo
Hindi naman,
Yeah.
but ang daming towards the finals, mga long lost friends na, musta pre? Diba?
Ako ba yun?
Hindi, ma'am kayo, lagi naman kayong nasa, ako pa nga nag-aalok.
Ako ba yan?
Ito yung mga talagang out of the blue. No? So,
Parang, mga, remember me, I'm your friend? Ganon.
Yes, oo. Pero okay lang, just to manage expectations na really, kasi ang primary target mo talaga are the schools. So,
Yeah.
the tickets are allocated to the schools primarily. So, talagang,
Pero
especially,
hindi ba malala din naman ng scalper? I mean, how do you...
I don't know how they get those. But we
yung
give them
mga,
to the schools.
tickets na, na...
So baka, I don't know ma'am, no? Baka the one who gets them through the schools, then nire-resell na nila. Ang hirap talagang i-regulate.
Yeah.
But hindi ko talaga sila, kasi I have the fancy title, commissioner, executive director, but
That's just a title.
yeah, we give it to the schools. So
Yeah.
paminsan, pag may mga returns or on game day,
Yeah.
minsan may mga hindi gagamit.
Mga
then,
no-show.
Yeah.
Then meron kang extra
yes,
ticket.
oo.
Okay, kaya mo to sinasabi para hindi sila mag-expect na lagi kang may ticket.
Yes.
Okay.
Pero pag kayo ma'am, kaya naman. Saka at least iba yung dalawa-dalawa.
Yeah.
Easier to manage. Yung iba na
Bakit
may
meron bang
pwedeng 10
may humihingi ng 10?
willing to pay. But that's not the point eh. It's not
It's not like you have that.
it's the access, yes.
Yeah.
Oo. Tapos hindi lang 'yan. Pwede bang second row, UP side?
Ay, wow.
Yun.
Namimili pa ng Na,
Sa inyo walang kaano-ano eh. Di ba?
Wala,
Humingi
basta
kayo?
may ticket.
Yes, basta makapasok.
Basta
kunin nyo
makapanood.
na.
Wala
Yes.
pa kayo kung saan
Oo.
upuan. Basta makapanood ka live, di ba?
Yeah.
Kahit nandun ka pa sa pinakataas, hindi naman,
Correct,
hindi naman
correct.
yun important.
Yep. So, yun yung one of the most challenging parts of the job. Oo. Tapos, plug ko lang yung volleyball para tingin, no? As
Yeah.
tama kayo, I'll just pick up what you said. Very intense and toxic ang basketball. And since I was former commissioner, medyo nakukonsulta ako, kaya yung sakit ng ulo, umaabot sa akin. Pag volleyball, which I didn't play,
Wild nga yung basketball. Can I
Wild.
just say, when I watched the finals, as in the crowds, like, may mga nandun na minumura yung referee. And
yes!
parang, nakakabahan, di mo ba nakita? Parang, dude, relax, di ba? Parang, sila, yung, parang feeling mo makikipagsuntukan sila, parang ganon, na,
Okay, ang pinakasakit ng ulo, sige na nga, bakit magalit? Yung pang supposedly from the top schools, the alumni of Ateneo, LaSalle, and UP. Di ba? Sila yung mga
maingay at nagko-contest.
Maingay at nung commissioner ako,
Oo.
minsan pag naglalakad ka, right to your ear, as in, Rebo! Mumurahin ka. Mo!
Oh, God.
Ang bobo ng mga referee mo! Ganyan. But the commissioner, during game time, doesn't have control eh.
Yeah.
Talagang ang magagawa lang namin is after the fact. Ganun talaga eh. The referees control
Tapos
the
na
show.
eh.
Tapos
Parang,
na.
kunyari, nanalo na siya. Kahit na i-fine mo pa siya, di ba? Nanalo na sila eh, di ba?
But that's part of the game.
True.
That's sport. That's
Yeah.
sport. I mean,
Whether it be a bad call by the
Yes,
referee or it was a
yes.
good call, but nanalo na yun na tayong magagawa eh.
Correct. So, but yun na, nakagulat na akala ko, parang dito ma'am, when I first became counselor, akala ko ang problema dito sa mga highly populated na, yung pala ang mas magulo mga villages. Ibang away ng, di ba?
Yeah.
Ibang away nila eh. So, ganun din kami.
Parang mga first world.
Yes.
First
First
world
world problems.
problems.
There you go.
Yeah,
So, yun, baka hindi.
So, ganun din. Yung mga first world school
Yes.
problems.
Yes. So, yun yung,
Mas sila, mas intense sila.
oo.
And they're harder to please.
Harder to please and you have to have
At naman personal.
hindi naman personal, but yung, I guess ang gusto lang nila is a good explanation.
Yeah.
People are willing to listen if you have a good explanation. So, yun ang training namin, how to address these concerns.
Hence the reason why integrity is one of the requirements to be a
Correct.
commissioner.
Oo.
Because once there's a question of, nabayaran yan, or hindi siya patas,
Yeah.
di ba? Then, wala na. Masisira yung buong institution.
And you know, the standards na I impose upon myself, parang ano yun, like Caesar's wife.
Caesar's wife.
You must be beyond reproach.
Ah,
So, even a small thing like, ma'am, ang dami kong suit. Hindi ako nag-suit today.
Oo.
But I have all the colors, diba?
I know.
I can't wear maroon.
And the funky colors.
Yes, so I
It's
can't
not
wear...
the typical black or dark blue.
Correct.
Ayaw na yun. Ayaw ni Rebo ng mga ganun. Gusto na yung mga talagang mapapatingin ka sa kanya. Ganun ang
Correct.
gusto nila.
Pero ang punto ko ma'am nga dyan, I also have colors for all the 8-member schools. But I cannot wear them when they're playing. Kasi pati yung literally bibigyan
ng kulay.
Yes.
So pag ang suot mo maroon, sasabihin,
Yes.
pro-UP ka.
Oo.
Ay,
Of course, mababaw yun. Oo, yun. But it was, again,
Yeah.
beyond reproach.
Might as
It was
well.
issue na lang. Ang
Might
dami
as
ko
well.
naman suit. Magputi, gray,
Ah.
black,
Ah.
para neutral.
What was the
Things like
last
that.
what was the last game that your dad
Wow.
attended?
May picture kami ni Judge. I think ito sa UP game.
Okay.
Finals din yata. Last year.
Nakapanood pa.
Naka-wheelchair na ako.
But those are the things na talagang niya. Yung willing siya lumabas.
Oh, hindi nyo alam na my father didn't set out to be a politician.
Yeah.
Hindi rin lawyer ang first ambition niya.
Basketball player.
Ako yun. He wanted to be a sports writer. So not many people know
But I
that.
remember
He was.
Yeah,
He was.
used to write.
So ang first love talaga niya
Parang
was...
wait ha. It was a tabloid. Wasn't it?
Grabe naman yung tabloid. Hindi siya si Cerex ha.
Gagi. yung gano'n, yung...
Backing the ads. Daily naman, ma'am. Hindi naman tabloid. May
Wait,
tabloid version ba?
Di ko alam. Basta alam ko he was a sports
Bulgar, ganun.
Hindi. He was writing with the other guy, yung parang of Indian descent, yung he would write ng boxing.
Oh, si Ronnie Nathaniel?
Yes,
Yes.
that one.
oo.
I remember na
Yeah.
meron siyang sports column. You're
Yes.
talking about a sports column.
Meron siyang twice a week, merong op-ed and then sports. He
Yeah.
really wanted to be a sports
I
writer.
remember.
So yes,
was
ma'am.
writing.
Wala ka ng how do you give someone like your dad who has everything
Yeah.
a gift? So again, yung mahirap na ticket, yun yung magkaupo kami and there's one picture of us three. So sabi ko nga, sports even binds generations.
Yeah.
Na all three Renes, Sagisags were all there.
Bakit si
Sobrang-
Bakit si Tres hindi basketball?
Bakit si Tres hindi basketball? Hindi ko rin alam. Ang story naman dyan.
How did you okay, baseball is such an off the grid
Yep.
sport.
Yeah.
So how did he end up choosing baseball? Kasi diba typical pag bata, basketball,
Yeah.
or kung ano yung trending na sport,
Yeah.
pickleball, or ako, I grew up with table tennis kasi may
Right.
table kami sa bahay, diba? Bakit baseball?
Pero like
Punta
ako
doon.
ma'am, for like any Filipino sports parent, you try to live vicariously through your son. So dapat
Of
basketball
course.
yan.
Oh,
Pinasok-
exactly.
So pinasok
I was
ko sa-
expecting na magiging basketball player siya.
Yeah, pinasok ko siya sa Milo Best where I work.
Okay.
Okay. Nood si Mami,
Ay,
si
usually
Judge.
yun yung summer camp eh.
Yes.
Oh.
So nood si Judge. And she would notice na every time may gagawin si Tres, titingin sa akin. Parang, tama yung anak mo, ginagawa lang yan para sa'yo.
Mm.
Tinis ko, hindi ko pinansin. Up to 6 years old, 2 years siya.
Denial ka.
Trying to please me, yes. Oo.
Or maybe you were hoping that he eventually learns to love
Yes.
basketball.
So, ganun, exposure. Diba?
Yeah.
Yun naman ang philosophy
Parang
ko
in the beginning, hindi niya masyadong
Yeah.
type, but eventually grow into it.
And then we go to the States. And it's not even a live game. Diner lang ha. So he sees this man na may...
Yung di ba may TV, tapos kumakain kayo, tapos
Right.
nanonood kayo ng baseball.
Major League Baseball.
Kasi wala namang baseball na napapanood dito locally.
Correct.
Oh.
Sabi niya, Dad, I wanna play that game.
Ha?
Ganun lang.
Nanonood lang siya ng TV, tapos
Yes.
sinabi niya, yun ang gusto niya?
Yep. And like you said, off the grid, hindi ko alam kung saan...
Correct.
Saan school yan?
Meron bang baseball
Correct.
team dito
Yeah.
na pwede mo siya ipasok or baseball camp na pwede mo siya
Yeah.
ipasok?
It turns out meron, but you have to look for them. There's a community called Ilam.
Okay, is there a
No.
baseball field in the Philippines?
Meron naman.
Saan?
Naunahan na nga sa, Rizal Memorial.
Okay.
There's one, pero naubos na sa Marikina, nagiging building na yan. Naubusan na tayo ng fields
Oh.
talaga.
Kasi kahit
UP has
football,
one.
football field takes so, maraming
That's, yeah.
hirap din sila to find a venue
Yeah.
for their football.
Right.
Pero more yung baseball. Kasi football, at least nagkaroon ng boom because
Correct.
of yung mga, yung
Yeah.
husband, diba, yung Ascals,
Yeah.
diba? There was a boom and exposure, especially now because of the
Pati
female,
women's. Yes. Yeah,
the
yeah,
women's team winning recently with
Yeah.
with the SEA Games. Yung baseball, so yung baseball talagang gusto lang ngayon.
Gusto lang niya. And when first clash na dun sa Ilam, talagang super happy na. And we never looked back since. Meron mga down points ng pandemic. It wasn't fun.
I remember you even went abroad, diba? Sinama mo siya
Sa Japan.
Oo,
So,
Japan kayo nun eh.
pati yung cultural exchange. And baseball is so big in Japan. It
Yes.
is iba.
I remember there's that Japanese player in the US.
Si Shohei.
Sobrang big deal sa
Probably
pagkakapon
the greatest
yun.
of all time. Some are
Ah,
saying that he is arguably the greatest.
Meron
of all
ako
time.
mga konting alam about very very small things that I hear about baseball, pero alam mong niche siya.
It is niche.
Hindi siya yung parang sa atin, bilyar, 'di ba? Meron tayong Bata Reyes. Ngayon,
Yeah.
meron tayong Alex Ayala because of tennis, pero bakit pinasok ng UAAP yung baseball?
Bakit pinasok?
Oh.
May tayo dyan. Champion tayo ng SEA Games din. And it's
Oh.
actually, I think, a sport that we can compete. I mean, like, there are a lot of more Taiwanese, Koreans, Japanese in Major League Baseball than there are in the NBA. Hindi ko alam bakit. I'm a basketball guy, but mahirap. Well, maybe we will still hope na we'll make it to the world stage ng basketball. But you can argue that football and baseball, baka mas
Hindi pa tayo
makapagpita
nag-give
tayo.
up
Sa
sa
basketball?
basketball.
Well,
Kasi lagi ko sinasabi, pwede ba iba ng sport? Kasi alam naman natin medyo suntok sa buwan masyado yung
pero
basketball.
nag-i-improve din. Tumatangkad naman din na tayo. No?
Dadaan sa
We have
gata?
6'7", 6'8".
Sa
The kids
sa
right now
jeans?
Yeah. Oh,
Yes,
yeah. Iba
pero
na rin.
talagang hindi maalis sa Pinoy yung yung passion for basketball.
It's a religion.
yeah.
Hindi sports.
Hindi
Yes.
siya. It's basketball and boxing.
Yeah.
I think, sige na, papasok ko boxing, basketball, and billiards.
Billiards.
Yun ang pambansang sport.
Sport.
Pero sana naman hopefully maging we diversify. Like, we get into baseball, we get into other sports because we do have a lot of talent. It's just that the support comes after the
Alam niyan.
success.
Correct.
Kasi,
we
diba,
have
hindi
to plan
naman, bago dumating yung mga sponsor, kailangan manalo ka muna.
Yeah.
It's a chicken and egg.
Yeah.
You need the support to become successful,
Yeah.
but you can't it's only when you're successful that you get
Yeah.
the support.
Sadly, like, Alex Ayala had to train. Ganun na nangyaring formula
Yeah.
yun eh. Alex had to train abroad. Heidelin had to train abroad. So,
No, and if you look at it, all our athletes are always, they always usually come from a family that are well off. Meaning, okay, example,
ganun ba?
Akiko Thompson,
Okay. She's a good friend. Okay.
Bea Locero.
Okay.
I mean, if you look at all, yung
Kasi may means.
Kasi may means sila because the parents can support their training of their children, di ba? I mean, okay, exception niya mga Manny Pacquiao.
Manny Pacquiao kasi I was thinking on the lines of hunger.
Or Heidelin. Pero pansin mo, usually yung mga natin, either nasa military sila.
Yeah.
Di ba? Heidelin, Diaz, yung mga boksingero natin, di ba? They're usually in the military because they get that support.
May take away ako sa inyo, mama. Tama na.
Di ba?
Di baling gutom, pero mahirap naman yung literal kang gutom.
Kasi, like, kunyari, Alex Ayala comes from a well-to-do family. They're not exactly poor,
Correct,
diba?
correct,
Because you wouldn't be able to. Yes, she's very fortunate because she was able to get a scholarship in the Nadal. Pero for her to get to the Nadal, bago, diba? Tennis is not cheap.
It is not.
Yung instructor,
Coaching is not
yung
cheap.
court and all, 'di ba? So kaya kailangan natin mas usisain ang UAAP kasi ang UAAP is the hunting ground for those that want to go professional.
Yep.
Diba?
Eventually. Or
Or
international.
or
Yeah.
international, or do they really want it to be a career?
Yeah.
Kung gusto ba nila talagang maging professional athlete or ano ba yung usual track ng isang atleta? Kasi nakikita natin madalas as an athlete, yung okay player. What does that player become after that person no longer is a player? Ano yung example ko? Syempre nilalaklalin, like Andre Agassi, diba? He's a famous tennis player. Then he eventually became a coach. Or
Yeah.
like si Nadal, diba? Yung nagta-transition sila into something after they become a professional athlete. So ang tanong natin for the next episode, kailangan tayong maghanap ng athlete
Or mga.
mga athlete na parang full circle.
Okay.
Nag-full circle siya ngayon. Ano na siya, whether dati siyang volleyball player ng UAAP or maghanap tayo. Or we can ask our viewers kung gusto nila silang magsabi. Sino ang gusto nating
Put in your comment section below.
put it in your comments. Sino ang gusto nyong i-guest namin? Namin.
Kasama ba ako doon?
Si Remo, kasama na siya sa next episode,
Please like and subscribe. Okay?
Yeah.
Please like and subscribe Breaking Balls with Abby
And
Inay.
comment, who do you want to be our guest na UAAP, whether a UAAP alumni
Yep.
of any sport
Of any sport. Yeah.
or player
Current.
or current
Current,
player.
yeah.
Mamili kayo. Sino yung kasi naghahanap tayo ng sino yung player or alumni na merong story na very inspirational.
Yeah.
Na hindi alam ng lahat ng tao. Because she doesn't talk about it or he doesn't talk about it.
Yeah.
Diba? Yun yung gusto natin na revelation.
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 Yep,
Kaya
yep,
mag-isip na sila kung sino ang gusto nila.
Yep.
Pero ikaw rin mag-isip kasi hindi pa kilala masyado yung mga ibang
Sige.
players.
Yeah,
Pero
yeah.
paliyabin natin ang comment section
Yan.
ng ating social media kung sinong gusto nyo na i-guest natin for the next episode with Attorney Rebo Sagisag. So Reb, thank you.
Thank you so much
Enjoy
for
ka
having
ba?
me. Sobrang enjoy.
Parang-
Tapos na ba? Grabe
Ang haba
naman.
na
Oh.
ha.
I wanna make this. Ma'am, ang ambition ko,
Ambition mo?
makasawa ng maganda.
Nakuha
Nakuha
mo na
ko.
yun.
Maging basketball player, so palpak.
Hindi mo nakuha yun.
Third is showbiz. So baka ito na yun. Ito na yung start, di ba? Di ba? So,
Third ambition mo,
Ha?
maging manager ng anak mo.
ma'am, kwento ko lang bago tayo mag-cut. This is a true story.
Sige.
Okay,
go.
so
Kaya sinasabi ko, take over niya na yung podcast ko. Talaga ha? Nasi-sense ko na ha?
pumasa ako ng bar. Hindi man ako nag-place, but I had a name.
Bakit gusto mo bang mag-place?
No, happy na ako. So, in-invite nila
Actually, ginagawa ko yan sa daddy ko. Dad, mas mataas ang grade ko kaysa sa'yo. Pikon siya sa akin palagi. Kapal mo. Hindi mo ba alam na ang baba lang ng passing nung year? Kasi di ba, at sa apples and oranges, you can't say na, because I got this grade which is higher from the previous year, mas mataas ka kasi iba naman siya. Pero pikon siya lagi pag sinasabi ko, mas mataas yung grade ko sa grade mo, no? Kahit hindi ako nag-place.
So anyway, ito yung kwento. So yung top 2 kinwent, inimbita. I think meron ding similar kasabay ko na may name. So dito kami sa kabila. So tinanong yung top 2.
What do you mean? Kaparehas na name?
Kaparehas na may pedigree in the field of law. Hindi naman nag-place, inimbita kami. So tinanong yung dalawa, what are your plans? So syempre ito na yung giving back to the community, pro bono work, blah 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 blah. Ako sinagot ko, well, ang gusto ko lang naman talaga mag-showbiz eh. In national TV, my mother-in-law to be was watching. tinawagan si Jackie, ano ba yung boyfriend mo? Seryoso ba yan? I said that.
Hindi sinabi, hiwalayan mo na yan. Ha? So, talagang, ang frustration, so, ang third goal natin, ang third goal mo, ang kailangan natin i-achieve.
Yes! Ito na yun.
Ito na.
Simula. Paliyabin ang comment section.
So, ngayon, na-realize mo na ang ganda ng bago kong project.
Yun na nga. Hindi naman sinabing podcast
Una,
kasi.
ayaw mo pa eh. Kunyari ka pa eh.
Hinang-hina ako
Ayaw,
eh.
wala kang tiwala sa akin. Ha?
The last time you called upon me, it was
that's true. That's
ibang
true.
journey yun, di ba?
Totoo.
Again, of which I'm grateful, ma'am. Don't get me wrong. I blame you, but thank you.
You blame me, but you thank
But
me.
I thank
Wala
you.
mo,
Yes,
So, then I guess this is a sign that this is the new path.
yeah. New
Ayoko
path talaga.
Okay, ayoko palitan yung pangalan ng podcast ko ha. Hindi ko papalitan yan.
With
Breaking
Abby
Balls with
Binay.
Abby Binay and Rebo.
And Rebo Sagisag.
Ayoko ha. Baka titingnan mo
Ma'am,
na.
biyahe kayo ulit, tas I'll take over muna.
Tsaka
mga
walang
few
PF
episodes.
to ha. Baka naghahanap ka ng bayad ha. Next guess, ikaw na magbabayad.
Sinabi niyo na baka may managers watching. Boss, sagot ko to, ha? Sagot ko muna to.
Oo nga, nakaka-tense.
Pamparami lang ng hits kasi kailangan ng influencer dito. That's me.
Grabe, tinake over na ang show, ha? Tumigil ka. Okay. So, we would like to thank attorney po siya na gusto
Attorney.
maging artista.
Yes.
Na may, sige na, okay, guwapo.
Thank you.
Okay, sige, na napakaswerte ng asawa niya. Hindi, napakaswerte niya sa asawa niya.
Yeah.
Babalik na, itatama natin. Kasi inamin naman niya na maswerte yung si Judge.
Yeah.
Dahil siya. Look at that. That says everything, ha? Thanks, Rebo, for...
Masisingit ako sa story. Cut nyo naman to just in case.
Wag ka na ng...
Hindi, kasi kinasal na kami. No?
Tingnan mo to, sabi ko sa'yo, ito matatapos sa episode na to eh. Last na to
sabi
talaga.
Ko sa, yung magsasalita ang, diba, ang bride tsaka groom.
Yung sabaw.
Sabi ko sa, hindi, sa party
sa reception na. Reception.
So, sabi ko sa,
nagpapasalamat ka sa mga guests.
parents-in-law ko, at the time sabi ko, Dad, Mom, I now can call you Dad and Mom. I cannot promise to give your daughter a good life, no? Kasi but I work hard. Ang promise ko lang mabibigyan ko kayo ng magandang lahi. Yeah. Ibang klase, man.
Ibang levels ko talaga. Jackie, please, nasobrahan mo to ng kape. Pwede ba next guesting? Medyo bawasan, bawasan mo yung kape.
Alright.
Ha? Yun ang gusto ko sa'yo, Rebe.
Thank you.
So, thanks, Reb, for guesting. Please stand by for the third episode. Dahil nun ang...
Third?
Kasi ngayong third episode natin, yung guest tayo ng...
second episode na pala yun.
Second. Diba? Ang daldal mo kasi, na mo sinabi.
Ako na lang din ulit sa third episode.
So again, thank you, Reb. Tumigil ka na. No? Kasi humaba na ang podcast na to. Sana,
ang present day Rebo, philosopher na. Because of that near-death experience.
Yes.
Yeah, but be grateful.
That's for the next episode.
Yeah.
Do you want to talk about that for the next episode?
But for now, ma'am, yun lang, I'm really just be
Yes.
grateful, all of us. No?
So,
on a serious note.
Actually, one of the reasons also that I wanted to invite Rebo was I was worried that you were going to end up like your dad.
Be a statistic.
No,
Ah.
be a recluse and hide under a shell. That was my biggest fear. That's why I really wanted to draw you out, because I didn't know how you were after the elections, and then you got sick.
Oh, nga.
Diba? Kaya
Sorry,
hindi mo alam na may agenda talaga ako. Bakit kita ginest?
Thank you, ma'am.
Because
Kasi,
I value you, and ay lalaki na naman ng ulo nito. Grabe. Mahirap maghanap ng kakampi at kaibigan na tunay sa politika, and you're one of those. So, okay ba sa ending ng episode? Parang iyakan ng ang episode bigla. Kaya, sige na nga, gigas na kita ulit. So thanks, Reb. We will discuss for another episode on our recent experiences.
yes.
That are life-changing and
Yes.
changes your perspective on life.
Yep.
On what you value most.
Indeed.
And hindi alam ng lahat ng tao yung pinagdaanan mo the past few months. So, naging seryoso bigla. That's for the next episode.
Yep.
So again, thanks Reb. Sa uulitin, I'm sure uulitin. Kasi maggagawa ako magpagawa kayo next time ng parang karato lang nakalagay with Abby Bean. Reb sa gisang for our next episode. So again, thanks Reb.
Thank you.
Sana hindi kailangan sana kasi alam ko you will be a regular in my podcast.
Podcast talagang co-host na.
Thanks guys. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Mayora, and thank you for watching Breaking Balls with Breaking Balls with Abby Binay. Please like, share, comment, and hit the subscribe button.